Honorable Ladi, I know that you are an advocate of restructuring, but your president has just said that. What exactly are you restructuring? I think he even said that people who were going along those lines, they were ignorant, let it be said.
Well, I want to believe that I want to believe that the president is being misquoted.
Yes, that's the standard political response.
Yeah, and, I want to believe so, because I'm aware as a party man that when we were coming into power in 2015, these are bases of our campaign to bring him into office. So if he's saying today that what are we restructuring, maybe based on some information that is only known to him, that probably the rest of this country is not aware of. But we are aware that when we talk about restructuring, we are looking at the fiscal policy, we're looking at devolution of power, we're looking at the state police, we're looking at so many issues, even creation of local government and so on and so forth, and the independent of these tiers of governments. And when you look at it critically, for us, we keep saying we're practicing federalism. But for federalist states, I do not believe that every month people will leave my community in Ekpe to go to Abuja to go and beg for money to govern or to ensure there's good welfare of the people and protections of life. I don't think that is right. And where we copied the issue of federalism, that is America, I don't think that is the way they are practicing federalism. So if we're talking about restructuring, what we are saying is that no, I wasn't born when the issue in the early 60s, when we have what we call, for instance, in my own community, we have what they call districts. We have the Ejene district, Ekpe district, Ikosi district, and so on and so forth. And those districts, all these districts formed what we call the local government today. But beyond that, those periods, the districts are independent of each other, and they are able to develop at their own pace. Same applies to the states. The regional system of government that was being practiced then, we learned how the cocoa was the major source of income for us in the Southwest, and development was seen all over. Cocoa House, the national, the Liberty Stadium, the likes of UI, all those things were built in those days. Why? Because there was fund, there was what we call resource control. And today, what people are just saying, they just want to take ownership of their governments. They want to own the government. They want to be part of the government. We say democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
Yeah.
So if the people are saying, the whole agitations that we are seeing all over left and right today concerning secession and all sorts of things, is because people felt we are not holding our government. We are not in charge of governance. And that is why we are having this agitation. So if we must address this, we must go back and sit down together and ensure that the world will solve. And I want to say this. It's unfortunate that our youth are quick in going to Twitter, going to social media, and say all sorts of things. But when it is time for them to do the most important thing, to register to vote, to perform that civic duty that they have, they have found one thing there. I think it is high time they come out and register to vote and be able to determine who goes to the National Assembly. Because the National Assembly and the State Assembly and even the councillors are key.
And that's very important, because this whole question, or shall I say concept, maybe I can even use the word philosophy of internal party democracy.
Yeah.
It's hardly existent. And so you can't depend on the party. So if the youths were to register in the millions and millions, because the capacity is there.
Yeah, I heard what the Vice President said some few days when we have the youth conference in Abuja. The reason is that the youth are not participating enough as they expected. If the youth are coming out to say, we are registering, we are moving, there is a movement that nobody can stop. If that movement crop up, you will see that no political party will joke with internal democracy.
Indeed.